Okay, so I do have pre-created coming into this model, this part, some of this GD&T, but we're going to just review it, and then I'm going to delete it, and then create it right in front of everybody, and kind of show you how I developed most of these tolerances. So it's a pretty basic, pretty easy model. I just have a couple holes up here, down here, just with position and size. A couple profile tolerances on these three flat surfaces, one back here. And I have datum points going all around this outer flange as datum A. This is our datum B hole. And then we also have datum C back here. But now I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And I'm going to start from scratch using, I'll try to interweave the Tolerance Advisor with the old datums, or the traditional method, and to create it. So with creating datum A, we want to go ahead and select each and every of these.
Can we look at the sheet?
Oh yeah, yeah. Let's go back to that.
And note how your datums are defined.
Okay. So the datum A I have defined is all across this outer flange here. So I have 5 points, 5 target points. So I have datum A1, A1, A2, A3, and they're set up using these little squares that are going to be on this sheet metal. And then for datum B, I have a hole here with that size perpendicular, which is going to be B, back to A, and then I have datum C over here with the size and position. And then everything else is going to be back to A, B, and C, as well as profile on this back surface and these 2 flat surfaces up front. Okay, so going back in here, I'm going to start picking the surfaces that I want for datum A. And each surface has to be selected in order to make datum targets and all the features datum A. So I'm going to go to here, uncommon. If you can turn this on, it basically kind of guesses what you're looking for. So it's thinking, oh, you want a profile tolerance at a common zone. But you just basically want to go to all possible types, start creating the datum. And then from here, you can just start those same features, start creating a point. And you can just pick right on the feature, and it'll create that point. There's A2, you got datum A3 right here. And okay, so now what this is also asking me is that this is such a conical surface. It's a complex surface. It's trying to figure out what the direction is. And I'm just going to pick this surface down here just to give it a direction. So now it's using that feature here to make it the Y direction as the primary direction. So now we're going to go back to this drawing. We're going to go ahead and define datum B. And first I'm going to add the datum as an identifier. So it's just adding